Install the mounting screw into the upper side of the door. Make sure the screw is tightened. Do the same to the lower side of the door. Position the handle so its holes line up with the pre-installed screws. Secure the handle using the provided hex key. Do the same to the lower side. The door handle installation is complete. After plugging in the unit, the display and interior light will turn on, and the display will show the current internal temperature. The interior light function is enabled by default. When the door opens, the light turns on. It turns off when the door closes. Press and hold the light button for 3 seconds to turn off the interior lights. Press and hold the light button again for 3 seconds to turn the lights back on. The default temperature setting is 39 Fahrenheit. Press the plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature to your desired level. Setting ranges from 30 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit. Each press changes the temperature by 1 Fahrenheit. After setting the temperature, the display will flash, then show the current internal temperature. Push and unturn the key provided clockwise to lock the door. Push and unturn the key counter clockwise to unlock.